Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we explore the iPad Pro M4 11-inch, a sleek powerhouse for artists, students, professionals, and anyone seeking a supercharged tablet experience. Why iPad Pro? Apple positions it as the ultimate iPad, and for good reason. It's incredibly thin and light, yet packs a serious punch in processing power. The centerpiece is the stunning 11-inch Ultra Retina XDR display with exceptional color accuracy, perfect for creative pros. Technologies like ProMotion ensure a smooth, vibrant experience. For an extra detail layer, the 2TB configuration offers a nano-texture display option, minimizing glare and providing a pen-on-paper feel. M4 chip performance on steroids. Powering this beast is the all-new M4 chip, boasting a 10-core CPU and GPU for handling even the most demanding graphics tasks with ease. Edit 4K videos, create intricate illustrations, or run multiple apps simultaneously. The M4 chip ensures you'll never experience a slowdown. Plus, with all-day battery life, you can work or play worry-free. The iPad Pro M4 isn't just about hardware, it's also about the incredible iPad OS software. This intuitive operating system makes multitasking a breeze. Use multiple apps at once, take notes with Apple Pencil using Scribble, or edit and share photos with ease. The new Stage Manager feature lets you arrange and resize windows for ultimate control over your workspace. The Apple Pencil transforms the iPad Pro into an artist's dream. Sketch, draw, and paint with incredible precision, or take notes with a natural pen-on-paper feel. The Magic Keyboard for iPad Pro is another game-changer, offering a fantastic typing experience with a built-in trackpad and haptic feedback. Plus, it doubles as a protective cover. The iPad Pro M4 isn't just a productivity powerhouse, it's also a fantastic camera system. The Landscape 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera takes video conferencing and selfies to a new level. On the back, the 12-megapixel wide camera with True Tone flash captures stunning photos and 4K videos with ProRes support for professional-grade editing. Rich audio recording is ensured by 4 studio-quality microphones, while the 4-speaker system delivers immersive sound. Stay connected wherever you go. The iPad Pro M4 keeps you connected with Wi-Fi 6E for blazing fast wireless speeds and super-fast 5G connectivity for seamless downloading, uploading, and collaborating on the go. Plus, the USB-C connector with Thunderbolt USB 4 support allows you to connect external displays, drives, and other peripherals with ease. Who needs the iPad Pro M4? Well, let's see. Creative professionals. Artists, designers, photographers, and videographers will love the stunning display, powerful M4 chip and Apple Pencil compatibility. Students, with its long battery life, powerful performance, and note-taking capabilities, the iPad Pro M4 is a fantastic student companion. Power users. If you're a multitasker who juggles multiple demanding apps, the M4 chip and iPad OS's multitasking features will be a dream come true. The final verdict. The iPad Pro M4 is a truly impressive device that pushes the boundaries of what a tablet can do. It's perfect for creative professionals, students, and power users who need the best possible performance and features. However, the price tag reflects its premium nature. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your individual needs and budget. Outro music. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews.